Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Robinhood account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Scroll down and select security from the list of options. Here, you will find various security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Robinhood account, enhancing your security.